Hello friends, in today's video we are going to open a new and professional YouTube channel, so let's start the video. Open YouTube and click here profile section.
Then click here arrow icon. Click to plus icon. After that we have to click on create account. Then click on for myself. After that you have to enter your first name and last name below. So I have put my first name and last name here. After that you have to click on next. After that our date of birth is being asked, so let's enter our date of birth.
Click here, then select your gender. Click to next.
Here you can create any email ID you want.
Click to next.
Then set your password.
Click to next.
Scroll up and click to yes, I'm in.
Click to next.
Scroll up and click to agree. Wait for creating your Google account. You can see my new Google account.
Click here. Click here.
Click here to pencil icon. Delete your old names and put new unique name in it. Then click save icon. Before creating a channel, check whether the channel name is filled correctly or not, then click on create channel. After waiting a few minutes, again click on the profile icon. After that click on your channel. Now your YouTube channel has been created, but it is very important to put a profile and banner in it, because seeing these things, viewers subscribe to the channel. So let's go to create banner and profile photo. First of all, you need a nice background for your channel, so let's download it. Then I download it from the image search man. You can also download it from Google if you want. After downloading, let's go to Pixelab. After going to Pixelab, click on from gallery. After clicking, select the same background. After selecting, now let's go to Google. And you have to search by typing here 3D text generator. Click on this website. After clicking on it, a page like this opens. Write here what you want to appear in the banner. After writing, click on the magic wand. It will take a little loading. Then different types of text come in front of you. After that you can download the text which you like by clicking on it. So let's download and show you. After clicking, this type of window opens in front of you. You can enter your favorite text by clicking here. After that, you can change the background behind the text by clicking on the icon of the image.
Then click download icon and download image. Then go to the Pixelab. Then click import icon and select your text PNG. After that it has to be applied in the middle. As you are seeing, then click to save icon. Then click save as image and click costume icon. Then select ultra. Save to gallery. Now let's make a profile picture. We'll have to revisit this website. So let's first remove the old text and write the profile name that you want to write. Search after writing. If you want, you can download any of these texts. We download this text. Then here I change the font size. After making the change, click on the download icon and download it. Now let's move to Pixel Lab. The old one has to be selected and deleted. Then import PNG. Then put it exactly in the middle. Then click on Treed Out and select Square Image Size. Now let's write the full form of this. According to you, whatever text you want, you can download it from here. Then I will do it immediately. Then click on Import to import that PNG. Then it has to be set in this way. Then click Save icon. And select Ultra. Then click Save to Gallery. Now both our profile and banner photos are ready. Now let's go and put both photos on YouTube. Click on pencil icon. And click camera icon. Then click Choose from Gallery, and select Banner Photo. Adjust properly. Then click to save. So our banner has been put up here. Now again you have to click on the camera icon. Gallery and select Profile Picture. The photo has to be adjusted in this way. Then click to save. Now our channel has started looking like a very professional channel. So friends, a new YouTube channel is opened in this way. If you liked the video, then like the video. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe and see you in a new video with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.